emrenimu akukudrofo se watna hache ombeboa wo ma wonsaka won krata na se wedi edro nso a eyo mokokokra eba ne nipa setena mu eni adwuma mu nsem bia omudimu akotene pa omu wo mre di mani pa bia na de enika wo mu mpo ne se no consultation fee.
Fortwell Solicitors always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad. Fortwell Solicitors also deals with long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Fortwell Solicitors is located at
Unit 1, ground floor, Katrina House, 50A Clarendon Road, London, N80DJ. Nearest tube station, Tempark Lane and Wood Green. Overground, Hornsey Station. Buses, 41 to Archway and 144 to Maswa Hill. For more info, call 0203 3257 030. Call our 24-hour line on 0754 8701 011. Website www.fortwellsolicitors.com.
Opening hours Monday to Friday 9:30 to 5:30 p.m.
Thursday Beyonce Young Milton Keynes.
Fortwell Solicitors is regulated by SRA.
Fortwell Solicitors.
You are listening to GN Radio UK.
Anapɛ ma mema watching na mema wo akwa aba baby biara wo biara miji di se ene day so ohun eye pa yeda otwedi ampo nyankopon no ase aye na adom ne pe ene day so ade papa achimi ni umienu yeda so tinkwamu emoja edi emu afusane a eye adom arakwa miji di se ohun eye biem midin ede mama len se de wonim no legal hour dwumadie na adru so ebina da bia Fortwell Solicitors ye ba wa kwan so ye no betwetwe nkomo efa migration sensem nyina ho ene manso bi a wo twe asem bi a ekire wo so na wo hia se lawyer beka ma oni nyina mu no dwumadie wuti ho nsem ye de ba wa kwan so ebina da bia enti ne dey eye ebina da ne dey so ya ba wa kwan so a ye ba besom wo mekai wo se dwumadie ebodu ba ko pepepa ne ya sorry so enu nti sabre to nsafro nua frɛ wadamfo ka twene se ombra na omrametie bi esanse bi ene discussion na ye ba be ye no ebia ebefa wo ho ebefa wo nua bi eho enti wotu nsafre na aye fefefe no so etimi ababa bitie bi na ene no se de wonim no me ne lawyer opoku na baba bedi eye dwumadie me pa chowa se wo hwe ye wo Facebook a oba like na obetimi so ana wa share de amaye we ye ne sa ye ni ebeje ho pa na ehu se dwumadi a ye ba wa kwan so na lawyer si se wo mobre eba so no wani esopa nti wo like ya na wa share ama obi foforo so etimi etie bi na ebre ema ye ho kwan ema ye bie phone lines tum se de be ya o question bi na pese ubisa lawyer obetimi di aba ama lawyer yi ano edi ama enu nti no ebre semu no be the number ni betu dwa ama question bi a ekire so say the eba be discuss and I said the wo bia no so no waba na lawyer ayi ano edi ama ofefefe ene yen topic a eda epononiti no me de kopoto kasa ni mu no submitting an invalid application to the Home Office. What are the effects on your stay in the UK? Eno ehun komo ene ye baba be die ye baba wusumu ne yado esuko akomu na eyi nsem apie se wan kasa se eba se wo de application akotumu de ama Home Office fo a mpeni bebre no obi o ha won de ohia ne se wo de application tumu won hwe se eniema ehuhia se wo de ekono se wo de akọ se won fa nkọ ye se on fa application mra na so office se wo de application kọ na no de kọ ensunsan so be na ebeba so ni nyina mu no ye be do esuko na ye ne lawyer edi nkomo na lawyer yi nsem bebre ano edi amaye nti sabre de etamu kutu na etie nkomo a ye de eba wakwan so men se bre no na men kọ na mema eye lawyer akwaba na yemfa dwumadie no enhyehyɛ so wotie o radio no so ayema wakwaba wo hwe o YouTube ayema wakwaba wo hwe o Facebook ayema wakwaba lawyer good morning. Hey Minti one ne kokra. Minti kra. Oh, what's minka? But maybe the minti won't count. Produce and patcho say a free ha, Mr. Shema, and I say lawyer, same free hand if free lawyer also so no ma. Lawyer, yeah, why my government in Kakra. I wish ya try say bet me affecting. I said, I met me at a lawyer and can also at Timinka. Meaning, a lawyer Timinka, media maintaining Kakra. Maintaining Kakra, Stella. Okay, entino me train say me sa meti lawyer voice na afi did you medie no ahihye so. Na me train na no misro a your phone lines no ma me fa nto dwama otro eto ho no mo abra ye hwe ne affix se de be ya meti lawyer nka no. Me pa cho your phone lines a betimi afre na wabusa o question no 0778793998 0778793998 yene Fortwell Solicitors and between komo lawyer poku and menino didjuma no na minim ne koso lawyer okay me sure say producer no try say obehwe say in free ha because me ntehwe she is still okay. All right, let's see what's going on.
Yo, Ghana for your English approach my muha. Ya sweaty. Yenya emranimfo a wen akwadare wo emranimu a poto kasa mu ye kasa a lawyer for entimi nuanom mumyemfa ye immigration ensem nyina enko dan wo mo Fortwell Solicitors emranimu akuku drofo se watna ha che ombeboa wo ma wonsa ka won krata na se wedi edro nso a eyom kokokra eba ne nipa setena mu eni adwuma mu nsem bia omudimu akotene pa omu wo mre di mani pa bia na de enika wo mu mponi se no consultation fee.
Fortwell Solicitors always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad. Fortwell Solicitors also deals with long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Fortwell Solicitors is located at
Unit 1, ground floor, Katrina House, 58 Clarendon Road, London, N80DJ. Nearest tube station, Tempark Lane and Wood Green. Overground, Hornsey Station. Buses 41 to Archway and 144 to Maswa Hill. For more info, call 0203 3257 030. Call our 24-hour line on 0754 8701 011. Website www.fortwellsolicitors.com.
opening hours Monday to Friday 9:30 to 5:30 p.m.
Thursday beyond so your Milton case.
Fortwell Solicitors is regulated by SRA.
Fortwell Solicitors.
Abusia said the one when him no ya dimfidie na eye adwuma edru ba bia na agye ne ho kakra eno nti no sa netie mfidie na agye ne ho kakra na producer egusu a ya sort ne ma nti no yes e come back ne ya hwese yensa ebeka eye lawyer na bibia adeda na akwa mu fefefe me kai wo se eye illegal awadwumadie na wasogusu a wotie ha ya GN radio midin mama len na enemenelia opoku na ebedi dwumai na hopefully I'm say minim na lawyer timenka I'm say na me na mentinenka lawyer mpacho wo timenka Perfect. Yes. I feel them too. Sweet. Me that's a pass. So I change. I be sure. So the brain near the kakra be can hold the my tea for now. Na we nim so break a crowd the be can hold my India.
No problem.
Thank you so much. Ebusia topic ne de atudwa e de ama odada. Na me ma lawyer akwaba na wachia wo na wachire na chikwan kakra na afi de dwumadi na hyehye so lawyer pacho che tiefo na afi yenku yanim.
Yo, yeah, that must say money I train yenya technical issue kakra bo yenim say mo de beche ye.
Sanity.
The Patrick Okubo attend me ejuma Fortwell Solicitors. Fortwell Solicitors your law firm in UK I to your want to stay per say your boy will be biara or immigration in some family employment civil litigation and awards and probate. Maybe biara who this area of law be all the was in began you be making sure say you be boa na maybe biara all right and will be an a day amount the details and a wall screen is no
Sanity.
and then come on ye ba be no say upe set yen church mu ye na yen ma hu nneɛma bi a yɛntimi anka no wɔ radio ana TV so a wo fire numbers na ɛwɔ screen so na wafrɛ yɛ after the program no kyekyeemu bi wɔ hɔnom bi a yɛde betimi de ama wo after that nso a yɛbɛyɛ nti ɛnɛ topic ne deɛ yɛ very very interesting topic ɛfo biara ho nti no hyɛ video no bi a obi ɛwɔ hɔ sisi a ɔnim ɔnte sɛ odumpo bi ɛnu abɛ pasa video wi ɛkɔma no na ebia ebeye inshira amasa oniako nti mo ne entrance na yendi dwumadie
sa pepepe hey em say nyama wo ye twi course okay la ya ko ya nim na say the odi ka no topic for obia ho invalid so submit invalid application na nsunsanso ne de say yesrewa fa yewura mu say no na person odi kan de hyase na wo bibia de be hyase ni nyina mu no me to platform ne ma sabre
me da say mama len
so that's
and the topic tell me kan interesting topic nti yen say no ye be do mo go straight away na ya ma for ne akefo adia say at a point in time when say you renew your visa with Chroma and say and I say you renew your stay with Chroma and say na ye bibi ma application na ya de certificate no photocopy me can say you invalid saying na a bitimi akopem a brain who individual no hunsun so ben and as application na wo ye na certificate na yeah describing as invalid no hunsun so be na bo mawo and even omunso a omaka e wachiri no bi ananka enche bi ananka wa be do indefinitely to remain so no why invalid application amanka abofra bi ananka wo sanka wo kofa ne ba no a prevent sa abofra bi a ukunu bi why adwen say nka wo twen na wanya we indefinitely to remain na wakofa na aba no at this point because of say we invalid application sa oniano waka baby ana e wo so wo na ebre no eso eti ti no moma yendi nkomo ne yenhwe infitiase no breben anase wo ya application adenti ne be ka say application invalid okay application bia obi bia eyidia no me linking it to EFN saying home ya home oxygen ubia ndan dwen ho da say me wo yati because of say me home at the point in time no say you home you feel apart then you realize say say na there is a possibility say oxygen we na air me application I didn't ever cast application be invalid because application invalid now it has nothing to do with say what satisfy the requirement no whether say it was say funny say will be about what satisfy all the requirements be I was say will satisfy say kunu edinaba not at that point now what make invalid application be will be na say requirements be also satisfy be not satisfy now so no at a point our application it will be deemed as invalid all the requirements now are satisfied in yɛnhwɛ po
Wow.
yɛnhwɛ po at the point na yɛbɛ nea ɔhwɛ application no ɛbɛ hu sɛ application na wɔde abɛto hɔ na ɛyɛ invalid no ɔnkɔ so koraa ɛnhwɛ application no bio. That is the end of it. Okay, bere bɛn ɛna yɛbɛtumi aka sɛ application bi ɛyɛ invalid. One, sɛ yɛka sɛ application bi yɛ invalid a na ebi a wo nua no a wo submit application no wa submit application no with the wrong form.
Okay.
We satisfy all the requirements. Nanso no wa submit application no with the wrong form. Meaning say ebi a wo sanka o use form A and now form B and how they make his application, you know, what we use form C. Example na medema let me be practical in fact. Yamfa say me wo krum hanum say na me renew me federal leave to remain e wo krum hanum say na me renew akwadum pempensu bia na e wo say me nya me indefinite leave to remain. Me call submit application, you know. Ebi amamfa mamranim ni anasemi ana me share dem na me yeye. Me call fill application form no. There were 2 types of settlement forms e wo krom hanum say.
Okay.
In fact, a big grand also, but made limited to 2 per. There will be a friendly settlement through marriage. And there was settlement ordinary. Into no young funny says, me renew me visa no federal leave to remain. It has nothing to do with our area.
Okay.
Now me ko pick a form be a friend set Emma. My failing application, you know, bibia ma satisfy name no form na ma fail the akono
a wrong form now you see
wrong form number you see in the application, you know, automatically no ma satisfy bibia na nso no form na me use the call a wrong form.
Application bibia
exactly. Application will be deemed as invalid. Ye komu a ye betchire ehunsunsu aso ewo. But one of the ways that ye bekasa application be invalid in any say where you see wrong form and I would submit sa application. It be omunso e be not the correct fee I also would for the application, you know, when you are.
Okay.
Yamfani say who make application for indefinite leave to remain. Now when you see the correct form, no, first of all, now answer generating the correct fee na application, you know, it will be deemed as invalid.
Wow.
That is it. Ebiomu say from about 2012, we application bia e wo krom anum say ya ye kase obekobo wonsa no so aka application biometric ubia no ya did the biometric say your application since 2012 na say one get the correct form when you have the correct fee when kwan a obefa so a ubeko bo wonsa no say ne ye kan we twi kase mu ubeko bo wonsa no impo unim say ubeko bo wonsa no na wo messe the deadline of sell back of bonus na home office promptil na still na one ko bonus no anase when nya sa advice na who say was sell bonus no application no they will be deemed as invalid.
Oh, okay.
E bi nsu wo hono ma e biomu at the point no application na wo ye no e was say wutua IHS bi hono ma wonim say IHS eka specific applications be a was say ye ho e beyond an adwin e ne say inni ho sa e mo say me ye IHS say for example say me ye application akọ efficacy mu na e indefinite leave to remain na obi bebusa say e was say me tua IHS and say won say me tua IHS obi ya no wonim ebi nso a kwakofa obi ayeden aba e wo so tua IHS anase e wo so tua IHS ebi ana onye den onim therefore no application na waye de akoto efficacy mu no so omo hwehwe mu a omo behu say application no a wo de aba no e invalid if you say unsatisfied certain preliminary requirements be a wo say satisfied ebi omo ne etitiru pa no documents are was say then would the application for a start. For example, woyɛ application ɛde akɔ efikesie mu na wamfa o passport anka application no ho ankɔ a first of all no Oniana or our application na ohwe mu no there are specific documents bi ohonoma or say ewo application nim ofi ho a ansa na obekɔ other things in the application one of them no eye o passport or ID so who need passport now or any national ID card bi na wo de aka ho a it needs to be there in ho pair application will be deemed as invalid. There are so many information on so it was a would share application for a start. One fine share application for a starter. Uniana or share application, obidime application as invalid. One, Sesane man mabubobo suina no say if one to me provided or there is not yet deem application as invalid. What happens? And they say at that point in the crown. Uni akuna or application on toso enko share application and untino o application now or the akono immediately you submit yamfani say where you use wrong form yamfani say documents be also the kind application for example passport iniho and so on chere adekunta passport enka ABI IHS we say utua when tuya ABI biometric e we say we koye one year at that point no only akona or ye application and our show application Jeffrey BB rejection and refusal of application at that point obe reject your application on refuse the application and no you better letter na catch will say application na why invalid application then what says this particular form and I was nka wo fail it then was say anka wo de specific documents be den eka ho na e was saying there is a specific place be on the form a mandatory e was say will complete that part of the form one complete therefore you reject application ama ye dey brought back say hwemu eho ena ehunzunzan so a me ba bebo akire etiefo ne ahwefo no ebi ne say say application na wo de akọ efikesie mu na examples amama no went me amfa anka ho anko na ya reject application na amana abano one at the point na we submit invalid application akoto efikesie mu no akoto ho eba back to you you are threatened with overstaying that is it. What overstay if you say yamfani say bia nanka o visa no ibi wu yamfana 1st of May what submit invalid application ewo let's say 10th of April and I will submit the application because application will submit I am invalid because of any also initially I am invalid application ever back from the 1st of May visa ni na and will receive a rejection of your application at that point from the 1st to the time I'll be receiving application you've overstayed. You've overstayed. Therefore that is one of the major consequences and I say the major effect what invalid application obe submitted. Ibisa etoa o de ba Fortwell Solicitors you be pay bribi you be pay the laws e be timi edi aboa o enema bi o ha yentimi nka ni nyina ewo efidie so o send the medical can o pay further information and I say further ufa your numbers na ewo we ni so a yebetimi ayeden aboa o na ya kire wo bre a watimi akọ submit sa invalid application at the moment make a kire wo say you've overstayed your leave in this country whereby one overstay another consequence I wo mu ne say emfa ne say sɛ wowɔ kurom hanom say na wowɔ 5-year route into indefinite leave to remain anaasɛ wowɔ 10-year route to indefinite leave to remain na wasubmit your application na submit ya first time, second time, third time ebi a wokɔ use wrong form if you say one I'll share them ebi a biometric yɛbɔ wa sɛ kɔnɛ kɔbɔ nsa no wambɔ nsa no ɛna yɛ reject application no ayɛ den aba o fourth one mu na wokɔ yi na nka wawie wo fourth no na nka wakɔgye wo indefinite leave to remain nanso because of say wo submit invalid application na wo de kɔto efikasie mu na wo leave to remain I expire no continuous leave to remain I expire no what you have to be aware ni say with 10-year route na the amount no you have to be it has to be continuous there shouldn't be any break as to overstaying if you say at a point in time and there is a break from maybe from 1st of May till maybe 7th of May and I said emremuno make away 14 days. 14 days. Within 14 days, you need to be BBA. Uba near chiro representation. I be the abo within 14 days now. So, na emuno. So when huni was a we na 14 days in the pahwa. Ti yamfa say we visit and we say 1st of May. Why invalid application? The application abroad, a rejected application abroad. 7th of May. When hunia was a more than 14 days after 30th of May, wukona application na ekoda efficacy ma 10-year continuous leave o start yamfana maybe 2014 o train amana do 2024 na watimi age wo indefinite leave to remain utie mi a sa continuous leave no say no because of say one adwumana ama lawyer ama na anye ama wa share them sa continuous 10 years na nka wo de kwakoje we indefinite leave to remain no eso aye den eso etwa hunsunsun aso obi enu say e wo se wo be start 10 continuous leave biom you know yes into yamfa no say why year wo 6 years awie ana why year 7.5 awie ena aka another 2.5 and I will submit say invalid application, you know, send him the cambo so initially now. Na a back. Now when to me and make the legal representation within a specific frame of time. Na a pahwa. It do last 2.5 now acquire from 7.5 now acquire 10 years. What has happened? And they say you've overstayed. Intino say basi ye baba ye indefinite leave to remain amawa. The argument that we are going to adduce for you saying what the 10 years continuous wahano.
Wow.
A sweater. Wa overstay. Intino omu wa be twaso efi baby a uye overstay, you know. How dear men can't if you say me can ahwa ebinum wo yam be hyehye omo. Ehunsun aso na ebi yeden na me kan ya na asem bia besi mitim minim se nkofo bebre wo honom a obi ohokora wonim ne biometric bra ne visa ebewu onim se wu tie me na nkofa biometric card ana woni ntwa biometric card so na wo federal leave to remain ewu krum anim se ya mesrewa kona koye den kona fa woni twa eso keke ne hu say at this point now it was semi renew me visa if you say me can see you say 10-year continuous leave to remain abisi team say obi wo ho a genuinely no ni refi onim say it was say ne visa na ewu let's say 3rd of June onya we 2022 na adwen ye say it was say ewu 3rd of June 2023 Uchain na sa date na etwemu more than specific period of time.
Ube start bim.
Ube start.
Na si we dey SCC.
say yes, that is say yes, a 10 years
continuous. Okay.
At every point in time, you know, say one first application and continue, you've overstayed. And as a who overstaying, so you have to make an application and satisfy say 5 years, say 10 years, any other amount to indefinitely to remain. You have to satisfy that requirement, you know. Into this is something it's here for near for. Say when you a child biometric so for some time, and I say will live to remain so for some time, Miss Remo. Monko na mfa mani nkotwa so na nka ne papa mu kra na ye notification e wo phone so
na a reminder
1 to 2 months to the time wo visa na ebewu no if you say so wo visa ni wu a e ho nsunsu aso no e chen say nka wakoye invalid leave to remain application if you say e bia apa ho over a year o de ba mint me nya hwem fa ho na mindin so say lawyer bi anso betimi ayi afa ho amount and it's just because one share ebre a visa na ebe den eba we need to be very 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 aware of this say a very crucial say we will make a valid application. Then application needs to be within time we be said bring and it was say me yet my application and I said me submit my application so that I will not be an overstayer and one of the consequences I be say me continuous leave to remain e will kruman say you know eso be den eso be twa bra e was say wutimi submit your application and I said we renew your application you know within 28 days of the expiry. Okay. Say so visa ebewu 28th of May from the 1st of May up until 28th of May beyond me your application before 28th of May ukoye after 28th of May bia you bet me IABB afa ho amount. Okay. Nanso no a specific period of time bia
bibi anu wan bet me aye
enye hwe emfa ho ma. Therefore, sa u continuous 10-year leave to remain na ye twen nyanka yakoje indefinite leave to remain na wakwakofa ukunu bi afi Ghana aba wakofa uba bi afi Ghana aba no. Unfortunately for you no sa u continuous leave to remain no so I then so eka never say usan be then usan be to so. That is why we have to be aware say ubia e won adwuma ubiara e won adwuma men hye dem enka say me sika me de be make application therefore no me a me hye dem. Can you even believe say at the moment people are still using paper form to make application because they don't know Mama Lane because they don't know Ibinum can go to the extent say they take money and put it in an envelope and staple it or say and staple it and send it to the home office. Yes, and it's the simple reason he said who oni akono unya lawyer yet the obi esiho actually be a kwan on fast one all these applications and no bibinia men said them enye some examples I made my about invalid application obi okrana there is a specific a year or form on so I was a complete but because you don't know no one complete because of that application is deemed as invalid. Not yet the application I then abrel back. Yet this application abrel back. Send me can effect ni be no 10 years anka wo train nanka last 2.5 years. What mean enya win definitely to remain. So I there enka. Fortwell Solicitors ya wo homa ubia sa topic here na ye kan e ade a etutu nkofo bebre in the past month. And until ye see was say we need to let people know. We need to let people know. Say basic documents being also with the application. When application That is why we are there. We will make that representation on your behalf. Obi ohokra na oba be make application. Aka 2-3 days na ne passport ewu. Nhu kwan a obefa so obeyes application.
Yeah.
Say maka say o passport enka application one automatically now the application is deemed as invalid. However, who the ba Fortwell Solicitors are
you have a way.
You beating me a submit this application and without your passport and every advice be a can't be an you beat me then you beat me the it's in a moment says submitting an invalid application, you know, sending me you know, will satisfy all the requirements. ABR 18,600 and I was say unya now to me the renew application in my yere ABI correct. All the proof I just still are only obana mugusu ete ABI correct. Name form our fail kekeno.
And no
The wrong form. Now for the 5-year continuous no. Wabe overstay na was osaya another 5 years and sana otimi enya indefinite leave to remain. It's in a moment yen shannon son. Na send him be can masem here kofa sa biometric card and the next shannon some bra will live to remain no ebewu the papa ma for reminder a 2 phone so that may overstay so that 10 years and now 7 years it is 7.5 hours while accumulating no assume be track now we start and start see mano esi
wow
question be opesa
asɛm wei deɛ yɛasisie sɛ lɔya yɛbɛda wo ase wɔ nkyerɛmu a wode ama yɛ adɔfoɔ sɛ afei na wajoin yɛ yɛ ɛnɛ yɛdi nkɔmmɔ aha ɛyɛ GN Radio Fortwell Solicitors ɛbɛna da bia yɛba wɔ akwan so yɛde legal hour ɛbrɛw sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ a w'ani bɛda hɔ ɛwɔ immigration sɛ nsɛm nyinaa ho sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ a wonkɔde yɛ mfomsoɔ bi ebia ne deɛ ɛnɛ yɛken ɛnɛ topic yɛ sɛ wo submit invalid application ɛho nsunsuansoɔ ɛne adeɛ na wankasa watimi atwɛn a wayɛ 2.5 aka awokɔgye wo tɛn na te sɛ mfomsoɔ kakra bi a woyɛyɛ no na ama wo sɛ kɔstarte the whole thing no foforɔ a ɛya but sɛ wowɔ question bi a sɛdeɛ lawyer kaeɛ no yɛbɛsɔre dwumadie so ɛnɛ yɛka sɛ yɛde time kakra bɛka ho ama yɛsiane sɛ ɛnya technical issue kakra enti no yɛde kakra bi bɛsɔ so de ama ba saa berɛ mi bie phone line atom sɛ wopɛ sɛ wofrɛ na lawyer ɛyi wo nsɛm bi anoma wowɔ question bi wopɛ sɛ wobisa no ɛnɛ deɛ lawyer kyerɛkyerɛ mu no nso so wopɛ sɛ wante biribi ase na wopɛ sɛ wɔkyerɛ mu bi ma wo anaasɛ wobisa ne nyinaa no frɛ yɛn ɛsi ɛyɛ mobile number is 0778-793-9958 0778-793-9958 kan hu sɛ landline no ofrɛ na ɛmba a ɔmo gu so a ɔmo solve saa issue no ɛno nti no saa berɛ deɛ ayɛ available ɛyɛ mobile number wobɛtumi afrɛ soɔ na wabisa question wobɛtumi asɛnde me audio mɛboa ama lawyer tie wobɛtumi asɛnde text message mɛkenka ama lawyer a reply ama wo saa so na wobɛtumi afrɛ ɛsi 0778-793-9958 na lawyer ɛyi wo nsɛm na no nyinaa ɛde ama wo ba lawyer wokasa ne mu naa no tede na wosi train nsɛm no ɛha no na wokasa bibie ne hɔ a mobɛtumi ayɛ ɛde afa ho sɛ ɛkɔba sɛ woanya saa continuous leave to remain na wontumi nyɛ bia pɛ sɛ mehu sɛ let's say enipa ne yare ɔyare a obetumi anya evidence kyerɛ sɛ na ɔyare enti na wantumi an submit anaasɛ wantumi anya application at that particular time a bibi wɔ hɔ a mobetumi ayɛ ana
you mama len good say we question way obviously there are circumstances we were on there are representations that we can make to that effect
okay
even send me kind and me go to a church and me try say these are eto kra na Fortwell Solicitors
right
in your specific circumstance no ye betimi aye bibi aboa
okay
say ade aye ntimi nye bibi emwa wo so a ye be ma waso ate ti ye mfa le say waba na wabeka kire ye say sabre ene wo say ka wo submit your application but wo koye surgery within that time no na you were under medical obviously evidence no honoma we will make that representation and make sure say however and I say baby ya be ko bia na yɛde mmara no bɛbɔ wɔ akyi na yɛtumi agye saa will live to remain ayɛ den april. But I'm still stressing the fact say we have to make sure say we don't fall to that effect. That particular idea ebema say application na why aye invalid inti mabeye overstay a ewu kuruma nim say documents bi na wo say me de ka ho me de ko form bi specific form bi wo say me fail it and am fail it ama mabeye overstay a ama me 10-year continuous leave atwemo a then ebeye me ya inti no although question na obisa no if there are extenuating circumstances be or how specific to you and it's saying to when to me and submit the application on time no problem give it to me at me I representation I'm out
okay
I'm a home office you say but I don't want to entertain that aspect and say because of the being in a main team what do you say sad situation is so serious but home office
and yes serious more
say it was within some specific time be na one away jaho abepim sam wow jejeje
I say when we are training ya che wo so me ba no na me rush pa ntimi antache omo we ka se de bi omunya sa excuse no ntimi nya dia ye beti ase sanity
make sure say who ye late training ko eja
make sure say better chi because every so na de wo kan no cross o mo nhwe ho because o mo anya say excuse ni bia eno no emma o mo nje ne bi ntum na te ase pala ya meda wase but then me pese me say bi se bie mu say say o submit invalid application let's say bia o mo refuse ana bibi sa o mo refuse kra
they will reject it. Anything I made can
and then me question na me be bisa no kra dem say hu here because can me bisa say ubetimi appeal in any way ana
okay they will not even look at the application
right.
Processes
they will be rejecting it completely.
Yes my main first akonya so quickly na me share the process a war application so who submit application nowadays a online application who submit online application na eko na watuaka wi a we document wo de ko nyina na now no yem posti enko bio
na bibia
na ya upload bibia our system ne so na ecosystem ni so na ye booki appointment amount na wako bo nsa no nti na the point ya submit all the documents na akọ now we use wrong form now document bi a wo say wo de ka ho one fan call sika bi a wo say wutu ya wen tu ya no application na enko further
okay
is either say wo case worker no uti lock ya wo be catch you say oh form na wo fill in a wrong form inti mama wo 14 days and mama so and so days fill the correct form bra and I say oh e wo senka o passport bi e wo so wo de ka ho one fan ka ho inti no mama 14 days mama to 21 days waka ho one kunya ni papa sa na at the point na pe application you be throw about say o documents na o de buy na any application na o ye no ya reject application no wait for a refund within so and so time na o admin fee bi no my den na o mate efiso inti no case worker no on kwakwanko ye any checks say or be say who satisfy the requirement any well be letter 10 bia
no long things bia
e be straight away na peno na or the rejection e yaba say wa twen biometric wa bo wachi for about 2 or 3 times ni onya biometric is also a process e was for the application therefore no one year they are reject the application
wow
and that's it no about you overstay because at that point there is something we call 3C and there be a bone when you make an application to the home officer that point with 3C a shaky akra there is loophole be a war was 3C obviously no oba na ye hwe na 3C ni still na ebo ho adwa Fortwell Solicitors we make sure say ye be ye ade amantino ye refuse application
be reject na mpacho reject o usika no so reject ana ndi omfa
usika no de be bro
oh and yes yeah
the refund but
okay
there are certain applications are be admin fee kakra
free so no the remaining one bro you Kofi say opese ohun say na o kasa ni mu no o say o passport nkan ho ye be reject but opese ohun say ne passport ewo efikesie mu ho no ma eno no wo be hu ana say eno no mo ya aware say ne passport ewo onka onchi baby wo ha ebe kire ne say ya obetra na say wo be hu say ne passport wo no anko yemfum so obia
o passport na we efikesie mu ni de ewo ho na say we make application na one mo man hu say me passport enni me nchen
because say wo mo ho
then no they know say I was sanka out passport can no one fan can therefore no be rejected but these are some of the things that lawyers and I say ni all your application am no there was all man ya we no make representation of the fact say passport or ya where say passport document was say a man application ya valid but at this particular instance now the passport be our application be send you know for your application na you refuse your passport enka that nice representation near the account or application now the call a call no enye invalid if you say the correct thing has been done then we no say one yehwe amfa ho na wadwen o say ewo ho no mu be hu a betima ka say one photo document na nka ho
wow nti ese utimi mom ya aware say me passport wo mo ho one card ya na say one kasa
case worker no say nya afi no kwakwo hwehwe o history o immigration history because sisene me kan at that point na
from so kitin bi ho no ma itimi esi niam ho kwan pa
oh yes but then ntina e wo say wo de ma emranim ni na oye sa niam or tighten all these boats so that application now they will not be rejected just like that.
Wow. Busia and something na etwa gu no because wo hwe a niam bi wa wo fa ne tra ofizo wo mo de wo te ho na ade no wo mo ho nti wo behu e bia de ono akoto te se de wo mo te ho na wo ticket boxes passport wo ha no across it passport ni ha na nti no se wo amfa nka ho a menye se wo badwene wa adwene ama ana se wonim de wo otiri na wo no ba behu nti no mesre wa bomoden so be kwa ko hu Fortwell Solicitors se asem bi e kire so ana se wo pese wo forms bi a unkoyam fumsuo bi na endile wu na unkosa nhase bi mu no mesre wa frɛ wo mo numbers no wo hwɛ e wo Facebook a etwagu o screen so but for the sake of obi a wo tie free radio no so no me sa the number no tudwa e de amount say frɛ Fortwell Solicitors e wo office line 0203-325-7030 0203-325-7030 and I say frɛ mobile 07833344411 eno eso mobile betimi areche so pese ofre lawyer poko a oberitimi ensa aka no ewo this mobile 078 0 mami insisu biem 07833 344 number na trickish say ntino me na na say trickish pa ntino bomodi ase obefre lawyer poku na watimi ayi wonsam bia kire so de amount lawyer yenko yenua bema we so na asem a woka nyina ne say why application or extended for 2.5 years as a parent on 10-year route no so why about 6 months in still and sa until wo enka obisa say dia na wonye obetimi aye bibi afa ho ana
I must say at the moment no a be crown some I would say publish publishes some way be say
okay.
At the moment in home office there has been a backlog.
Oh okay.
Continue say application be akode efficacy mu na cha general nyina if you do mu hanim say we are experiencing delays. So we are an application over 8 months. But
sure.
obviously, no, say it do some pempen. So now, what we do here is say you try echo remind whoever is dealing with the application. It's say the delaying of the application echo say hardship ama your friends and your client into no. Bibi or no mo be ye e de afa ho a omo nye no emfa ho intem. But in these venues, I can also say if there are specific circumstances we are aware now more expedite or application because of A, B, or C being or decision entema my lawyer as on ente I make a representation. Say for example, ABR when bereavement be a was say as soon as possible. Tell your solicitors say for evidence na come on. Past 6 months obviously that 6 months yeah they actually team say 6 months, but home office they normally tell us say and yet automatic say every application will be decided within 6 months. If you are it's me more than that
and I say earlier than that
ultimately the evidence become so a bit me ama or more expedite but at the moment now decisions now a delay.
Okay. We esu free do fie ho ye bre no ye kase de kakra be ka ho ntin sa re 11 na bo awie kra but ye de kakra ka ho lawyer we a very busy person. But my fa do fie question or say or your application ye the certificate of application abre no. But then or say o pese o tu kwan. But wo hu se o mu tro o mu so obetimi etu kwan. Or say ye bibia so alert home office ana so obetimi etu kwan ya ne ho ma asem bi ana say possible ana o pese o.
It would depend on the type of application. Why?
So it's a settlement, settlement scheme or something like that. I don't.
Okay. So why a EU settlement scheme? It depends. Who or pre-settlement. NABR previously now who a residence card. NABR residence card maybe who so and so time. What submit application at the Akono, I would advise you say main to kind.
Okay.
Although omode ashem say
but men how who could to kind.
Me ubetini etu kind. I would say main to kind. But the moment you find say oh yes Zambrano ne all those type of application. Now you enjoy passport and to because normally no ukobo nsa no a omutimi je passport no eto ho no passport no ento ho ya say USS under Zambrano for example then I can say ubetimi aye, but on the normal day no say decision MI and I say o biometric na kita no ewu na wo kwa ko renew na emedu ya then certificate of application will not allow you to travel or issues.
Okay. And now I think say at the moment me ni question be mo ho si lawyer bibi wo ho a opese o de be so de amaye ana se opese otimu bi mu a patcho wa media platform no e de ama na afi wo de
basically we don't want that long wait. Obviously, everyone is waiting to get their settlement in the UK now to be wasted because of submitting an invalid application.
Yeah.
I cannot stress it enough. Say we shouldn't fall into that situation. If you say, "What train I check? What train I check?" Will be in 10 years, a long way. Sikai uma utia any moons and submitting an invalid application costs you further payment of sika pudua bienya inim se home office AGA utia ukoya application a change say ukwakotoka emma an invalid application emma koso intua sika. Therefore no lawyers ni lawyer obviously Fortwell Solicitors immediately mean who edding common say bibi so atoa make sure say Fortwell Solicitors as soon as possible. Main kind catwall and say ubia nani twa ne biometric card so for some time now no mesre say ubako penetrate kwan bibia sa biometric card no no compare ne kire kwan na record that data visa na and as will live to remain in the expire na fa to honum e bring do a etima reminder na o de wadwuma abbe Fortwell Solicitors na aye na kama amount Simama Lane.
Yebeda wase lawyer poku. Sabre ma me fa sa akonya so menchia na agima ye chia pa UG ye chia mo. Mo amugu Facebook amohwe nyina nchia kese enkomo bibia saso na mo amutie o radio ni so mo amutie o YouTube mu nyina nchia kese enkomo bibiara. Se won share ya share, won like ya like efa emaye. O hwa ene yesrewa o de be che se ye ntimi anhia se de na ye hia se ne san technical issue bia ye nya ye o de ache ye nkura e de ewie. Yebeda wasese wunya aso a woditie na opa bra woditie dwumedie nyame ya adoma na wotwe senne so yebesa aba wa kwan so ne de legal awa dwumedie abrewo na ase de wonim no yasa sua de ne yasa aboaboa ye ho asa am ye ni ada ho eba immigration sensem ne nsem bia chire yen so na ye hia lawyer yebesa aba ne aba besum se de ebna da bia ye ne bia kan ho se ebna da 10 pepepe ne ahase na afi ya sorry so eye duba ko me 11 enu ntino ene de de eba wa kwan so ne ye gidi se wasua bibia firi sa se me mesua bibia firi mu entwen na enche dem na wankasa wo ni mu ntino brofo no timi kenkan wo ti ase ba ye brofo wo ayo chiro to ha wo hu ni ompeso mo chire bia se na office ese ase che na so be kan na enye sa na tie ntino lawyers nem so mo ankasa so wo mo brofo wo no nti wo mo no de wo ti ase but dan hwe ya wo koti wo de na wo de efiri yi no ahwe ya nye sa na tie ntino mesre wa enche dem na wankasa nchiro bibi na enfen delay wo niema esan sese yesa ubesa akosha asie biem ya echen bibia just say the work and kran kam dia peace bi ba so enfa ba bia ye be reject ade no completely enti ne menye sa enfom so no kohun lawyer na omo nkyerɛkyerɛw na afi so check bomodin asa obe check say the work no empe bebre ne ye nya niema bi wo ha ne ato ya adwum nti ye check say bia wo me passport be wuda bay ma de we kure be wuda bay me ba matrix be ye check ni nyina lawyer sisu biem o se bomodin asa obe check say de be ya ko delay na ye nka say there be wantimi anye continuous nti na ne ye mfa ma nti bomodin asa obe ye ne sa pepepe video no be da ye GN radio ye platform ne so person wo tie nsɛm lawyer kan ni nyina na afem ofutu na afem advisor ukọ ho a ubetimi asa akwa hwebiem na watie ni nyina edi afri ho lawyer number no etwagu ewo screen ne so pese okoko hu Fortwell Solicitors fo a omo onipa ho abotre omo betie wo na emoa bia esese omo timi de boa wo bia so omo etimi aboa fa omo number na efre wo mo ewo mo office line any mobile nyina me de betudwa edi amount tro number office line 0203-325-7030 0203-325-7030 eno office line ofra kan hu say initial consultation no free ofra no wa booki enye say wo frɛ esi free nti no waduru ho da bi enye ne sa wo booki no mo booki appointment ama na wa kɔ fefefe taso na betimi areche wo mobile so 07833 344 411 bomodin ase obefre na wabuki appointment na okwa kohu wo mo na oha bia hawa ema wuntimi enda no lawyer etimi aboa we sa oha ni nyina edi afri so edi amao nyame aduma ebesa aba wa kwan so midin mama len eneme ne lawyer opoku ena eba besom wo aha ne edu besie ni akase mo amonitie enyado lawyer thank you so much nyame aduma next week ebeshia ya kramo have a lovely day you bye bye ebusia ya kra obibia
yo Ghana for ye won English approach mai mu ha ya twedi yenya emranimfo a won akwadare wo emranimu a poto kasa mu ye kasa a lawyer for entimi nia no mo yemfa ye immigration ensem nyina enko dan wo mo Fortwell Solicitors emranimu akuku drofo se watna ha che ombeboa wo ma wonsa kan won krata na se wedi edro nso a eyo mo kokokra eba ne nipa sitena mu eni adwuma mu nsem bia omudimu akotene pa omo wo mre di mani pa bia na de enika wo mu mponi se no consultation fee.
Fortwell Solicitors always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad. Fortwell Solicitors also deals with long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Fortwell Solicitors is located at
Unit 1, ground floor, Katrina House, 58 Clarendon Road, London, N80DJ. Nearest tube station, Tempark Lane and Wood Green, Overground, Hornsey Station. Buses 41 to Archway and 144 to Maswa Hill. For more info, call 0203 3257 030. Call our 24-hour line on 0754 8701 011. Website www.fortwellsolicitors.com.
Opening hours Monday to Friday 9:30 to 5:30 p.m.
Thursday Beyonce Young Milton Keynes.
Fortwell Solicitors is regulated by SRA.
Fortwell Solicitors.
You are listening to GN Radio,